Hi, this guide will help you to set up your first campaign on DropMe. For a better experience, we recommend using desktop rather than a mobile device. Sign in into your account and click on Create button. Choose the platform of your game and you will be able to import all information about it from App Store, Roblox, or Steam. Example like this. Set the timing of your campaign. Usually 2 weeks is an optimal option. You can also set one-day campaign, for example, if you're launching a playtest or special event, but in this case, the start time of your campaign can be no earlier than in 3 days. This is the time needed to onboard streamers. Choose the goal of your campaign and total budget. This will preset up actions. You also can select or change them manually, but this is a good starting point for your campaign. You can start small from just $150 to test and see how it works first. Campaigns with a budget over $4,000 additional features on the platform. And for over $10,000 budget, we propose a full service option. That means that a dedicated manager from DropMe team will help you with the campaign to get the best results. Click on Action to edit it. Each action has instructions that you can edit. You can add here more details about your game or why users should wishlist or purchase it. You're also able to edit price you're willing to pay per each completed action and its quantity. This can help you to achieve your marketing KPIs, but keep in mind that too low price might decrease the interest of influencers in the campaign. Select criteria for influencers. Influencers who fit your preferred language of content and games they played before will get automatic access to your campaign. The more restrictions mean that fewer influencers will fit your criteria. That might affect the completion of a campaign with a short duration time, high budget, or low price per action. If this is your repeated campaign and you want to find new influencers, you can limit access to those who participated in your campaign in the last 30 days. Provide game keys for accepted influencers, and you can customize message that they will receive with the key. Check out that your campaign looks good for publishing, and if you need to change something, you can click here and edit tags, images, and campaign description. If it's not enough found in your account, you will be redirected to the payment page. When your campaign is published, you can boost your results with additional promo options. Let's take a closer look at that. Go to your campaign and click on Boost Campaign. Influencers can create and post tailored content on Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, or X to promote your game. In a similar way, select total budget of your promo. That will help you to pre-select call to actions, but you always can add more from library. It's important to add extra description for streamers about your expectations. For example, what is necessary to mention in shoutout or highlight in the promo video. You can increase the visibility of your game and campaign by featuring it on the platform. Regular users will see it on the top of the main page and highlight it on other inner pages on the platform. Get extra visibility by investing just game keys that we will use in giveaways for community. It will last a minimum of 7 days or till the end of your active campaign if its duration is longer than 7 days. If you still have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our team to get more recommendations to achieve your marketing goals.